In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all form submissions on Squarespace. If you run a website on Squarespace and want to keep track of your form submissions, this guide will walk you through finding and reviewing them to streamline your workflow and ensure you don't miss any important information submitted by your visitors. This process is simple and takes just a few minutes, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace account. This is your starting point for accessing all the features Squarespace offers. Simply go to the Squarespace website and look for the login button, which you can find on the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Once you're on the login page, you'll see various options to access your account. For this tutorial, we're going to choose the Continue with Google option. This method is particularly convenient if you've linked your Squarespace account with a Google account, making it quick and hassle-free. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which displays your various websites if you manage multiple ones. Here, you'll want to select the website where your forms are hosted. Look for the thumbnail that matches your site and click on it to enter the website's backend settings. Now that you're within your site's management area, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. From here, we're heading to the Contacts section. This tab is your go-to spot for all matters related to user interactions, including form submissions. Under the Contacts menu, you'll find an option labeled Lists and Segments. Click on this and it will take you one step closer to viewing the forms. Lists and Segments offers an organized way to view the data your site collects, dividing it into manageable sections. Next, within Lists and Segments, locate the Form Submitters option. Click on that and it will bring up all the submissions that have been made through the forms on your site. This section acts like a repository where all the entries are stored and easily accessible. Finally, you'll arrive at the page dedicated to form submissions. Here you can see all the details of each submission made to your site. You may have options to sort these entries, view specific submission details, or export them for further analysis. This overview provides you with a comprehensive look at how users are interacting with your forms, enabling you to respond efficiently and make informed decisions based on the information collected. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to view all form submissions on Squarespace. Keeping track of these submissions is vital for improving communication, following up with leads, or simply understanding visitor preferences better. Thanks for watching and happy managing.